You can see my screen?
I can see the screen, I guess. This is the screen that I'm looking at. It says new one, Notepad. That's what I'm looking at, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then I started recording. Okay, and myself, this Bhaskar. I'm a trainer and I'm working as a SAP HR consultant. So I have 8+ years experience, and I work in different companies and different projects, implementation, support, and the documentation process. So yeah, tell me about yourself.
Where is your project?
Actually, it is a support project now. It is one of the company.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Company in the United States. Where?
Yeah, actually, it is from US, client in US, and I'm working some in India.
Where in India are you?
India and from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, okay.
Yeah.
I'm originally from India though. I know the places.
Oh. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me about yourself, Tony.
Well, I am a lawyer by trade.
Oh. Okay.
I am a tax law practitioner. But at the same time, I am a chief financial officer.
Oh, okay.
That is my full-time job.
Mm-hmm.
I've been practicing law and I've been a chief financial officer for about 20 years.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'm tired of it. I want to change my field. So I looked at around different places and everything, and I found this something called SAP. And I was doing some research on SAP, and then I found HR could be ideal for me because I've been in charge of human resource also in my full-time job. Human resource means payroll, finance, payroll, budgeting. These are all my responsibilities. So that's why I want to learn more about this HR.
Okay. Who suggested you to learn SAP HR? Anybody suggested you?
I did my own research. Nobody suggested me.
Okay. Anybody working in SAP? Your colleagues or your friends? Right?
I know some friends who've been with SAP long time ago.
Oh.
I don't know anybody now. Okay. The only person I know is you. One is you, and the other person is the person who was helping me to set it up. What is his name? Shakti. Yeah, these are I don't know anybody personally.
Okay. Any
Does
idea?
it make any difference?
No.
Any idea on what?
Sorry?
Any idea on?
No.
What do you mean, any idea?
Yeah, any idea in SAP?
No.
No idea.
I won't be sitting here if I had an idea.
Okay. Any other software, other platform? Any idea other platform?
Yeah. There is something called I don't know what you mean by platform. I know a lot of software.
It is SAP is one platform, one software. Any other software? You know other software?
Oh, I use a lot of software for my workplace. Membership software, finance software, payroll software, accounting. We use a Financial Edge for accounting.
Okay.
We use Financial Edge's their payroll for the payroll module. We use the membership. It's like an ERP package. They have multiple functionality.
Okay. Before, it started some years ago. It is the first generation of computers to up to this. So many software, so many platforms are introduced in the market. The first start with the programming system. You know idea? So everything is a programming, and it is based on the coding system. It's a whole process. So like COBOL, like C, C++, Java. You know idea? They are all programming system, programming languages. So like we use some years ago, now also is it's a program-based platform. So it's before like many companies they prefer like the programming. Every company prefer like this programming only. Up to 1994, we use that this programming system. After 1994, total marketing system changed to globalization. So total marketing system changed to globalization. For globalization system, these kind of programming software not supported to transfer data one country to another country. So within the domestic wise is very good supporting, for the globally is not supported. Why? Except for globally we need to change everything, like we need to change like even if you transfer any data we need to change the like country specific activities and even currency, like you check that so many activities we need to change that. In this time the programming process not supported. So it is supported but so many drawbacks are taking time, not reaching in the client place. So many issues are there in the programming. Programming means is totally the coding system, everything is writing the coding system. It's a very big process. So after 1994 is a new platform is introduced in the market. It's a new platform. The less programming process is a major part is application process. So then that platform is after 1994 ERP. You know what is ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. So what is Enterprise Resource Planning? Planning for the resources in the company. Planning for the resources. So resources are already there. You're already predefined. You just select and process. You collect the resources and plan the process. That is the ERP. You already functions, operations already there provided. Just you have to select it in ERP. It's a predefined functionality system. It's a preset. Already there, whatever you want, you select and process. That is the ERP concept. And before ERP, it's a blank. If you want to get any function and operation, then start the writing coding system. Then after that, this coding is converted to the one function and operation. Then only you can use that. Then only you can process to that. So then in ERP, it's a predefined. So everything already there. So then what you want, you select the process. Predefined system. Now everywhere the ERP process is running. So like even mobile phones, we are using mobile phones where everything is a predefined. Applications are there. How it is simply downloading. How it is using like that. We are using so many smartphones. We are using Android based and Apple based. Like so many ways are there. Where the predefined applications are there. So then like that it is the concept is the different. So now every company wants to like this ERP only. Why? No one is interested in programming. Programming is the whole process now. See the ERP, the one application based system. With applications, we are calling application system, not programming. So it contains different packages are there. In ERP, the one platform, it contains different packages are there, not languages. What are the packages that are available in market ERP? Do you know idea? What are the packages that are available in market? SAP, the one of the ERP, is the one of the ERP. Any other?
I would say Oracle, PeopleSoft.
Yes. Oracle and PeopleSoft. And Siebel, JD Edwards, Jennings, like BAN. So Microsoft also one of the ERP packages there. So they all are the major ERP packages in the market. So in market about 70 to 80 ERP packages available worldwide. Globally representing so many ERP packages. Out of the 70, 80, so they all are very popular. The major ERP packages, it is available. They all are available in many countries. Many clients have preferred these ERP packages. So many percentage of the clients. So out of these all ERP packages, SAP has got the first position. SAP has got the first position. Why? So they all are remaining they all are actual people. They all are very good process. They are the popular packages. But why SAP now? Why many clients preferring SAP? Why it is first position, it was first position? So definitely some features are assigned to the SAP other than ERP packages. What are the features? What are the advantages other than ERP packages? So actually also good is our people saw CPL, they all with big companies, big ERP package system. Microsoft also it's a very big company.
Mm-hmm.
So in ERP the why SAP, why big SAP? So especially the manufacturing industries and pharma companies like all are preferring now with SAP only. Even retail industry, paper industry, you can check that all major companies are preferring SAP. Definitely some important advantages are there. What are the advantages or features? Is supporting some supporting system in some areas that it is supporting. In which areas are supported SAP? First supporting the integration. And country specific. Country specific. Industry wide it is supported. Language specific. So they are like supporting system SAP. Like what is integration first of all? What is integration in general? You know idea? It's in general.
Interfacing.
Like, sorry?
Interface.
Yeah, interface like connecting, linking system. Yeah, interface between two activities, two functions, two operations, whatever it is. That integration is it's a linking system, connecting. So integration is process with that. So generally, how it is from the integration process? Like, for example, I created 100 documents separately, in which I select 10 document transfer to one document. A group of documents sent to the one document. So 10:1. So final how many documents are there? 10 documents. So then in 10 documents, I select two documents transfer to one document. So final how many documents are there? 5 documents. The 5 documents transfer to one document. So this simple mathematical calculation. What is that? This 100 document information finally connect to the one document. This is called integration process system. So in SAP they are creating so many functions, so many activities. So the finally all information, all activities finally connect to the one activity. So many process, so many activities is finally connected to one activity by using integration process system. Every time, every activity is integrated to another activity, directly or indirectly. So then integration process always is connected with the SAP. So then, as per the SAP, integration is two types. One is the intra-integration and second one is the inter-integration. What is intra? Intra is the integration within the area. So integration within the area, like within the department. In the company, so many departments are there, like HR department, finance, sales. So within department activities, connect within department, that is intra. Inter is one department, another department. So like one area to another area. Intra is the within the area, inter is the one area to another area. So intra means intranet, inter is the intranet. Simply intranet is within the company they are using intranet. They're communicating within the company. They're mailing, messaging, everything. So can call to within the company. So internet is the global is connector. Everyone can connect to that internet. So then in the process where like in SAP they are divided intro and inter. So one process within the process or one process to another process like SAP. So integration is a very important process in SAP. So it is a one type of classification. Integration is a two types. Another classification also integration is a two types. So what are the system defined integration and user defined integration. System defined and user defined. What is system defined? So now with SAP preferring many clients, many countries, it is available above 120 countries available. Anywhere like Any country, many countries are preferring this SAP. Anywhere system defined integration is the same. You cannot change. It's a default. It's a mandatory for all countries, all clients. It's a system defined all. You cannot change like that. It is mandatory for. So user defined is a user specific. One user to another user different requirements are there according to client requirement, according to country specific requirement. So SAP support user defined integration also. So then it is a one type of classification integration. It's very important. Without integration, no SAP is always like if you create any activity in SAP, then definitely it is activity is integrated to another activity. So definitely directly or indirectly. Then it's very important process. And next supporting is a country specific. So many countries are there. From country to country, different activities are there. Not same. So where it is different exactly from country to country, so compared to like US, UK and India. So first of all, it is like according to government policies is different. So country specific activities like tax system, especially tax rules and regulations, acts, law and orders, like they all are different from country to country. So in SAP already is defined, already the reset. Already is a configure set up like by SAP. So every time you can't like create. So then already predefined. Once you enter the SAP, so then you created one activity. So then it's asking you what you're going to assign which country. So initially how to set up the country specific activity. For every country wide there is a one separate grouping is provided by SAP. So initially we are the set up the activity. So once you set up the like country specific, so then it is defaulted for all activities. Every time it is defaulted to the country once set like that. That features are available in this SAP the support. So country wise, like what are the specific country specific, it can select that. So like country to country, especially tax system. It's very important of that. So in this calculation while already is set up by SAP support. Like it's a country wide, it is a very important process like now. And next supporting is currency specific. Currency also differ from country to country. So now every country the currency value ratio is different. Now the market is global is connected. So then companies are located in different countries. If any activity, any business transaction from country to country, so in this time we need to exchange, we need to change the currency also, exchange currency. Currency ratios are very important process. In this time every client wants to update currency information. Why? Every day is up and down currency. So it depends like Sensex market, like it is up and down like that. It is a currency support system is very important now. So this type of feature also is a very good supporting in this SAP like currency specific. It support all currencies in the world. How many countries are different, country wide different currencies, there different values there. So in this time like if any company like located US and India, any transaction from US to India or India to US, but we need to convert the currency. Like generally we are calculating like $1 equal to like this is a general process very important of that. This type of information also support like in currency specific information. And, and industry wide it is supported. So different types of industries are there in the market. So like manufacturing industries, pharma, like retail, like you can check the different type of industry. So industry to industry activities are totally different. For example, factory environment is different and corporate office environment is different. So like the industry-wide like factory, so for example, there's a 24/7 is the working system. So where the different supporting is there, different working system is there. So like in the corporate office, their working timings are different, it's a limited period, limited working hours. In this time, different environment is there. So like that, it is based on industry-wide also it is support like that. And language specific. Not only English, it supports from other languages also. What are the major languages? So it supports German, French, Chinese, what are the major languages are preferring in the world. So it supports other languages also like. So it is very important feature. Now even mobile phones also support some languages. So like there are some clients, some users wants to language also, then it also support like. So Chinese they are using Chinese language, German language. So then most of the clients will think language specific also. So initially every client is expecting from these areas. So in this area SAP is strongly supported, no doubt at all. So then like initially everyone is checking in these areas like that. So SAP like support initially these areas, not only like these areas, it support all business process activities in the company. What is the business process activities in the company? So in the company so many departments are there. Every department where there is a specific process in there. So like where it is started in a company, where you take a manufacturing or any industry, where it is started, where it is end of the process. So first of all, you're collecting raw material and production and the financial activity, production, sales and distribution, and the production like logistics, transportation, like advertisement, and like so many different departments are there. So SAP support for all departments wide is a process. So one SAP to organize all the departments with using the SAP. So that's why it like it is multi-functionality system, multi-supporting system. So that's why the one many clients are preferring like SAP, especially the other reasons of that. So up to this, any doubt?
I'm okay. I'm okay so far.
Yeah, it is initially that like the process. So what is SAP? SAP stands for any idea? SAP stands for
System, application, and processing, I guess.
Yeah, two words are correct. System, application, and products in data processing, and products in data processing. This is a full abbreviation of SAP. Systems, applications, and products in data processing. So here one important word is mentioned, like what is that? Application. What is application in general? Application is a predefined format. It's a form. It is a form. Application is a form. Contain different fields are there. It's a predefined fields are there. So every field in opposite a blank space is generally we are going to fill in the application. So like generally. So in SAP also is the predefined application already designed by SAP according to their both specific country-wide, currency-wide, industry-wide, language-wide. So already SAP is designed already predefined application. So it's a business process-wise, like HR, like is in the company what are the requirements are there. Like according to like company requirement is already designed by SAP. Just simply you call the application and you fill the application. So then indirectly what? No need of any programming required in this process. It's already the predefined. It's application-based software. It is called application system. So always we are calling application. So there no need of any programming required in this part. So then you just fill the application. How it is filling the application? Like that same thing. According to client requirement, according to country specific, you set up the application. Okay, you set up the application. All group of applications are converted to the one product. You set up the application for every like in the company department-wide, process-wide. You collect all application for the requirement. So then, so group of applications. So finally, it's converted to the one product. Product means group of applications. So then you collected the final product. So in data processing, when it is using the product, so then continuous processing system. So then in the launching the product in the market, when it is using the product, so then it is a processing is started. So like it is some meaning is there, it is application and product. It is a combination of application and product. So directly it is application based software. It is one of the application based software. So SAP is one of the ERP package, one ERP platform, and again it divides the different sub platforms also. Divide different subcategories, subdivisions. SAP divided subdivisions are there. What are there? One is the technical area, functional, and networking. Like in the companies how it is divided in the like divisions in the company. A group of departments is separately divided and one division by in the company generally. So like this, here also SAP also divided equal activities comes to like one division, one category, one division is there. So technical area, what is technical? So actually it is a non-programming system, it's a purely application system SAP, but no need of any program required. Sometimes so programming required when so one of the client wants to add a new field in the existing application. They wants to add a new field in the existing application. Or they want like a new application also. They want like a new application also. Then you consult the technical person. So little bit like programming is using to develop the like new application. So if the persons are there in the technical area, who is the person is there? So again it is divided different modules wise it is divided. In the technical division they are divided different modules are there. So what are the module is that? You divide like define the programming system, ABAP. He is the responsible person for the like technical area. ABAP. What is ABAP? ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Program. ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Program. It is a combination of application and program. So some little bit programming required to develop the new field in the application, existing application. When any technical requirements are there, you consult the ABAPers. They are using some templates and they are creating some program to develop the new. So then it is a technical area. And functional, it's purely functional, no need of any programming required. It is a combination of application and with business process. Combination of application and business process is connected. So in functional area, so many modules are there, like a department wise. What are the modules are there like SD, FICO, HR, MM, CRM, PP, FPM. So like so many modules are there, there are some important modules. So each module why there is a specific information, specific process is there. You know that what is the overall information of each module. What is SD? SD stands for sales and distribution. In the company like one sales department is a general like any company there one sales department. So what are the activities are going? What is the activities are running in their department? So generally what is that sales related activities, logistics and consumer, customer, transportation. So the all information is covered in this SD. It's the same. It's in general like what is the related information, same like that in SAP also same thing. But why using in SAP? So FICO, what is FICO? Is the two different modules are there. FI is the financial, CO is the controller. Is the two combination of the modules FICO. So any financial activities comes to like in the finance FICO. In any company, finance activities are very important. Centralize the finance activity. Any cash transaction come to the FI. So general ledger accounting, balance sheet, losses, like any profit and loss, any cash transactions in the expenses, loss, anything, assets and loss, like liabilities, like all concepts comes like a FI. And CO is the controlling. Controlling is what is that? It's a budget planning system. So every company, every year they're planning. It's a budget. It's the expansion of the business or the any new product, adding new product to the company. It's a new planning system. It comes to the controlling system. So HR, what is HR? Human resources. What is the human resources? It's simply so many definitions are there. Simply what is the any activity between employer and employee. Any activity between employer and employer. Who is employer? Is the company, is the organization. Who is employee? Is working for company, working for organization. So then every time you are discussing like employer and employee. So that is HR. But where it is started HR activities? Where it started HR activities from employee joining to the company process to where it end up the process? if you have terminate of company or retirement of the company. So then in between so many activities are covered in SAP HR. So it is directly to what it is related to employee only. Any type of automation finally connected employee. So then from joining process to end of the process covered all are HR related to employee with the HR. So in detail explain what are the concepts are covered in HR, explain that. And MM. What is MM? Materials management. What kind of materials are required? So import, export, like this process, it is the MM. CRM. What is CRM? Customer relationship management. This is also very important process. Company customer is God. So like they are maintain some companies maintain relationship to that. So that business expansion, business process level. It is a one type of process. Right? So CRM and the PP product planning. Some companies every quarter they are launching new products in the market. Every quarter. So like very good example is the mobile company. So I think short time they are launching new models in the market. It's a very competition now. With so many companies are there, new models are there, launching in the market, new features. Every time like take like many companies, Samsung, like Apple, like so many models are launching in the market. So before launching the product, so there is a process with it. So it is right time or not to launch the product in the market. Any competitors are there in the market. So first of all, announcement date is there. So then release date is there. So they are like the process is there. That is a product planning system. And PM, plant maintenance, like a factory maintenance. So factory maintenance is a very big process. So different machineries are there. So 24/7 it is running process is there. In this time suddenly, so some problem is there like stop the machinery. So then before how to do the process like for plant maintenance, like in the safety important, security is important. So in that area like factories, their workers are working and the shift while employees are working. So there's process it like plant maintenance in this time. So that is there is the one SAP also there is one process supporting it like that. So like that not only these modules, it supports for all business process modules are there. So you can check that SRM module, strategic relationship management, SCM, supply chain management. So like you can check that for all departments where there's a support like different modules are designed by SAP. So many modules are supported like that. So if you implement the SAP in your company, with one SAP you can organize all departments. No need of any other tools are required in the company. Actually before SAP, every department wise, every processor they are using the different tools. For example, like in financially they are using different tools. HR wise they are using different tools. Like sales and distribution wise they are using different tools in the company before. Now with one SAP you can integrate, you can manage all activities with one SAP. That's right. It is a multi-functionality system. So then many people think why it is also one of the reasons. So then different models. And networking. What is networking? So in a company, network administrators are working. So what is the responsible network administrator? If any problem is in the system, while using the system, some system hanging and process accuracy is different. Like sometimes systems are like some problems or like some patches are required to operate the system in the company. So like in the company, so many like servers are there. So servers are maintained. So if any problem is there, then the network administrators have solved the problem. Like every time networking people getting off the servers. General. So in SAP also network persons are there. So like in SAP, in SAP we are collecting information from the client, valuable information is there. We are using different servers. So we are entering the data into the system. You're processing in this time, suddenly your data is corrupted or damaged, like anything problem is there. So then what to do? We need backup. So then backup also is providing, taking like some network administrator, the responsible person. So then safety is important in the company. Like everyone can open in the area, in the particular SAP area. It is not safe. So the password is protected. It is also it comes like networking system. So like security, like authorization, authorize that. So as a SAP HR consultant, you can authorize particular HR related activities. You cannot authorize in ST or FIC. ST consultant can authorize only ST related activities, so you cannot authorize like HR. Like this is also providing by it's a set up the networking people. But who is the person is there? Which module is the support like the networking system? The one module is there, basis. Basis is there is a networking module. So in SAP, all of the modules are there. So in the project, all persons are involved in the project. They're providing some information from every module. That STY, they support ST, FIC, HR, they are all the combinations with one SAP. So that. Understood? Any doubt?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah. So now, in which we have selected HR module. HR is one of the functional module. It divides again different sub-modules also. So according to business process level, it divided different sub-modules. What are they? Personal administration, recruitment, organizational management, just a moment, just hold on, just a moment. Yeah, organizational management, payroll system, time management, personal development, training and event management, and benefits. So they all are the SAP HR sub-modules with the sub-concepts SAP HR. Each concept-wise there is some requirements, some specific information in there. So what are the importance of each module? What is the personal administration? It is administrator employee data, administrator employee data in the company. So for example, like in the company.
Hold it, Bhaskar. What did you say? Repeat that one more time.
Which one?
No, administrator does what?
Administrator employee data.
Administrator employee data?
Yeah. What?
Employment data, that's what you're talking about?
Yeah, employee information.
Oh, okay. Yeah, personal information. That's what you're saying?
Information. Did you get this?
Is it personal information you're talking about? Or no, I didn't get it. Can you define it a little bit?
Generally, I define like post administration is administrator employee information, like employee data or employee information in the company. You know.
Okay.
So for example, yeah. Okay. For example.
So basically, it means employee information, right?
Yeah, employee. Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
In the companies, yeah, so many employees are working, right? So generally, how it is maintain the data in the company, maintain the employee data. It is called administration. It comes like under this. Okay. Any confusion?
Okay. No.
Any? No? Yeah, clear?
I'm okay.
So generally, yeah. Generally, like in post administration, what is the process is there? So joining, one employee joining to the company, the process is there. Before joining, you set up some information, set up the process like that. It comes under like post administration. Like joining process is there. One employee joining to the company. What are the information required? What are the information they're collecting while joining to the company? So company they collected from employee personal data or the address information or family details and experience or education, qualification, all information they are collecting. That process is a personal administration. It's one of the process. Okay. So then after joining the company, okay, join. So after join 1 year, 2 years, we need to change the data. So employee data. So what type of information we are changing in, after joining the company? So generally we are changing address or adding the family details or experience. Like it is that we change the data also. It is also it comes to the like personal administration. So like it is it generally we are changing information in the company like employee data, employee related or information. So like after that. Sometimes we need to change the employee status also. The general data is that we are changing with one process, or we need to change the employee status also. What is employee status? Employee status. So then we joined as a junior manager. After joining 2 years, getting promotion. So then in this time we need to change the employee status. Promotion means that I change to from junior manager to the assistant manager or senior manager. So then how to change that? So totally change the employee status. So like once you got the promotion, need to change the position and salary increase or the roles and responsibilities are added. So they all are affected the total year process. So this is also comes to like post administration. So like if you give a promotion or transfer, like any kind of action, it is called actions or the termination or resign, like retirement, all are the how to change the process like that, that personal administration. Understood?
Yep.
And recruitment, what is the recruitment? It is selection process. How to select the right person, right job, right place and right time. It's a generally criteria of the recruitment. But in the company, how to select the right person? Generally one process is there, first of all, they're finding any vacancies are in the company. So like every month they're updating manpower. Some persons are joined, some persons are left the organization. So if you left that organization, then automatically positions will be vacant. It's open. So then companies are planning to fill that vacancies. In this process, like they're advertising that vacancies. So before they are prepared like required skills and qualification, experience to that position, they prepare the description of the position, then send to the advertisement department. They are again publishing. They're publishing the vacancies. Where it is publishing vacancies, there's a posting. It's called posting. Where it is posting these vacancies, they are using some recruitment instruments are there nowadays. So on paper, the portals are there, and the references are there. Like consultancies, are so many instruments are using nowadays. So their posting is completed. Up to that, who are interested candidates, they are searching vacancies in that anywhere like that. So company received so many applications, some applicants, so many applications are this time shortlisting and call to candidate. They're one by one they're attending, they're performing. Finally, company selected candidates. So this is the general process of the recruitment. So in SAP wise also same process, but here we are using SAP software. That's it. So concept is the same anywhere, like concept is the same, that we are using the tool. That's it. And organizational management. What is organizational management? It's the hierarchy of the company hierarchy system. So it's very important for every company. Why? To know that hierarchy level in the company. So you're working one company. What is your level in your company? Total structure wise. What is where are you now? According to company policies, where are you now? Are eligible? What is your eligibility system? How to know that? So then, it's organizational management provide is total structure in the company tree structure from top level to bottom level in the hierarchy system. So in the company like divided, so mainly the 3 different levels of the management there. It's a lower level management and middle level management and top level management. So it's a category wise divided. So it is a tree structure. It's connected with the organization management. So it's a graphical view. It support the graphical view. You can see that graphical view to view the like system organization and reporting structure also it is provided in this concept reporting. So who is reporting to whom? Every employee reports to another employee, like subordinate reports to superior. These concepts are covered in organizational management. And payroll system. So what is the payroll? So payroll is a very important component in total SAP HR. Why? The salary statements are generated. Salary. Every employee is expected salary. Without salary, no one is working in the company. So in the companies, employee to employee different salary there. Location-wise different salary there. Country-wise different salary there. And currency-wise different salary there. And performance-wise different salary there. Experience-wise different salary there. Education, like according to the areas and the different salary system. In the company, so many employees are working. All employees are same salary? No. Employee different salary system. How to separate this salary system? So then salary like country-wise, some salary is different. Where it is different? So it's a currency system is there. In the country-wide, like currency value different. It is also important. And tax system is also very important. It also comes under like the payroll system. So it is every cash transaction, every payment, like salary component is comes under like payroll. From company to employee, they're paying system. So company paying to the salary, paying. So then every component is comes under the payroll, like as a gross calculation, net calculation, or the finally take home after calculating after earnings and deductions, your salary, then total calculation in the payroll system. Generally we are preparing like a payslip in the company finally. So the before payment day, you should complete all calculations in the company. So from starting to end of the day, before payment you should complete all calculations. So then it is a payroll system. So different country-wide different payroll system is there for US and India, like every country by country specific activities are there. So I go through like US or the India also, explain the payroll system. You want which country payroll?
US.
Yeah. So then it is I'll totally explain with the US country. And as time management. What is time management? Recording working hours, the planned working time. The recording working hours and planned working time. How many working hours they plan per day, per week, per month, per year? This is planned working system. So in the companies, they reward different working system. It is like in the factories are there different shift-wise employees are working, divided into shift. So daily 8 hours, they reward the one day, the 3 shifts are divided. Or some areas like general shift is there. So it is a different combination. In the time management, always we are following the calendar. We are following the calendar in that working days and off days, holidays and festivals, like all the combinations are in the time management. So then according to country-wide, you just follow that time system. In the country-wide different working system, working system means hourly paid and monthly, weekly, like that. This is according to that, and we have to set up that like that. And personal development. What is the personal development? It employs career planning system. So in the companies, like so many employees are working. How to know that? Like what is the performance level? Each employee is the performance level. So in the companies, like every year, like every employee submit to that like company their performance appraisal format is their performance appraisal. So like what is the performance system where they are compared to last year and this year's skills, each employee. So then in the format they mention each skill, they are opposite, they are giving the rating system. So then each skill wise they are giving the rating in the last year and this year. If you perform well, okay. If you not perform well, definitely warning. So then compared like this performance skills and company gives the promotion and transfer or the pay scale increase. Everything depends on performance system. It comes to like a personal development. And training and event management. What is the training? Training is learning skills. Learning is very important always. So once you join in the company, they started learning. So then always you generally concept with on-the-job training and off-the-job training is there. On-the-job is you working and training also running. Off-the-job is especially have to attend the training. You're not attending the regular work. So learning like always adding new skills. So company train employees. So always adding the new skills and new concepts and everything. So training is very. If the company like substate training departments, they're planning each like every year they're planning training calendar. So every month, what are the trainings required? What are the trainings schedules and everything is covered like the training environment. Who are eligible to attend this training? So then they're selecting candidates, selecting employees in each department wise. So then it is comes to like training and benefits. So one of the important modules for US benefits is the extra allowances. Benefits are different plans are there. In US, especially different like health plans and insurance plans, saving plans. They all are different types of plans are there. So they are using different. So like 401, 403, like their plans are there. So they all are what are the plans and what are the eligibility system, every like in the benefit system. So age-wise, seniority-wise, salary-wise, different benefits are providing in US. So then it is a cover like the benefit system. So then in SAP HR they all cover like the all modules. So I explained from starting to end of the process, from employee joining process to so end of the termination of the process. I covered. I'm using these modules and covered all process in the HR. So joining to end of the process, take out like that, everything like covered like that. Okay. Any doubt? Any expectation?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. You explained it very well.
Sorry? What?
You explained it very well.
Okay. Any expectation from me or what? Any topic or like anything from SAP?
I don't know. I don't know what to expect because I am new to this area. I thought we will be I will be introducing to the SAP configuration as well.
Yes. You want configuration? How to configure SAP HR? Like?
That would be my job, right?
Yeah. Your job is initially they are the concept. Yes, sir. Configuration is the job actually. As a consultant, the first job is the configuration. Like it is called set of parameters in the SAP. So that is how to configure like a next class I explain. Yeah, generally it is a concept. We cover like the concepts are there. But how to log in SAP like to know that SAP software and how to log in SAP, then how to know screens. In SAP different screens are there. First of all, to know that screens, where to define, where to open, how to configure, how to customize, like that is the details of the SAP with next class. Is it okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, actually this is general concept, there the topic. You are new, right, for the SAP?
Of course I am.
Yes. Understood like any, like today, any confused, like any way, like?
No, you explained it very well.
So generally I explain like generally it is SAPs are generally also in the company HR department like same technology they are using, same process, but with SAP we are using tool, just like tool. SAP is the one tool. So and next class like explain how to configure, how to set up the activities in SAP HR, how to log in first of all SAP software. So then explain. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, originally, are you from India? Or, where?
Originally, I am from India. Yes.
Where? Which area?
Close to your place.
My
close to your place. You are in Andhra Pradesh, right?
Yeah. You also Andhra Pradesh?
I am from Kerala.
Oh, okay. Right.
So have you ever worked in the United States, or you only do the project here?
Project there. Project.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So in the meantime, what do I do? What is the next step? Next step is I will be in touch with the Satya. Is that right? Or?
Yeah, Satya.
So I will be in touch with him, and then I will. That is the next step, or is there anything else I should be doing?
Yes.
No, I'm asking you, is there anything else I should be doing? What is the next
Okay.
step?
The next step is in the SAP configuration. Yeah, you just touch with Satya. First you call to Satya.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Now I'm also call to Satya and you call to Satya. Okay.
Okay, I will do that.
Okay.
And I will.
Then yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Bhaskar. Thank you, and you are a good teacher, good instructor. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. And configuration, you want configuration, right? If you want next step with a configuration.
Well, I don't know. I am asking: is the configuration is the main job for a HR consultant, right?
Yeah. Not only configuration. So it is a one part of the SAP actual project. Is the configuration is the third step. The first step is the requirements, collecting the requirements from the client.
Yeah,
And,
but I mean, don't take my word, because if I know anything, then I wouldn't be sitting here.
Okay.
So I'm
Yeah,
asking
okay.
you, what is the big responsibility of an SAP
Yes, it is the
SAP
main.
HR?
It is a yes. No, yes, responsibility. I generally the one cycle is there in SAP. We are just following that cycle. That's it. Okay. Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. See you. Bye.